Mother, can you see me now? Even when I ache, suddenly things start tumbling down like fallen leaves. But still I breathe, still I breathe, still I breathe. Mother, can you hear the gods and how they laugh at me? Suddenly the highest of all peaks seem unobtainable to me. But still I breathe, still I breathe, still I breathe. I face the prettiest of thoughts and put them in your hands. Sometimes afraid that someday, somewhere I might lose all I have, and all I'll do is stand in front of you and confess that still I